Good morning, children. This is part 9 of the chapter Admission of a New Partner. In the previous video, we discussed about distributing undistributed profit, reserves, and writing off accumulated losses. So, in this part, we are going to discuss one of the specific reserve. The treatment is the same. That means it has to be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio, and workman compensation reserve is a type of specific reserve because it is used only for the specific purpose, that is only for paying compensation to the workman. As you can see, this reserve is created out of firm's profits to pay compensation to employees. Actually, what happens sometimes while working in the business organization, it might happen that an employee or a workman suffers any kind of loss out of any kind of mishappening. So in that case, the firm or the business is required to pay certain amount of compensation to the particular employee. So for this purpose, a separate reserve known as workmen compensation reserve, which is in short also known as WCR, is maintained. At the time of admission of a partner, it is treated as follows. Whenever a new partner is admitted, what is to be done with the workmen compensation reserve? This we will discuss here in detail. Case number 1. If there is no claim against workmen compensation reserve. That means the firm has maintained a workmen compensation reserve to meet its liability to pay compensation to the employees, but there no such liability occurs. That means no such mishappening happens and the reserve is lying intact as it is. So in that case, the entire amount of reserve will be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. As you can read, the entire amount of workmen compensation reserve is credited to the capital accounts of old partners in their old ratio. If the method is fluctuating, it will be transferred to capital account, and if the method is fixed, it will be transferred to current account. That is quite obvious. In the old ratio, the journal entry passed is workmen compensation reserve account debited to old partners capital or current account. WCR or workmen compensation reserve is a reserve, therefore it carries a credit balance. When it will be distributed or written off or the claim is meant, means in any case if the reserve is decreasing or is wiping it off, then in that case it will carry an opposite balance. That means it will carry a debit balance. And if we are giving the surplus to the partners, their capital or current balance will increase, as a result of which the liability of the firm will increase and therefore it will be credited. You can see the narration for workmen compensation reserve distributed among the old partners, and it has to be distributed in the old ratio. Case number 2. If the claim for workmen compensation is lower than the amount of compensation workmen compensation reserve. In the previous case, there was no claim, so the entire amount of reserve was distributed among the partners. But in the second case, if there occurs a claim, that means some mishappening happens and the firm is required to pay certain compensation to the employees, and if the amount of claim to be paid or to be met is less than the amount of reserve, so in that case the amount of claim will be paid out of such reserves, and the surplus, the excess amount which will be left in the reserve after paying the claim, will be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. So as you can read, the amount of claim is credited to provision for workmen compensation claim account. Out of that reserve, the amount which is to be used for meeting the claim, the obligation, that amount will be transferred to provision for workmen compensation claim account, and the balance, that means the excess amount, is credited to the capital or current accounts of the old partners in their old ratio. The journal entry passed is workmen compensation reserve account debited because we are closing workmen compensation reserve account. Since it is a reserve, it carries a credit balance, but when we are wiping it off or we are closing it, it will carry an opposite, that is a debit balance. To provision for workmen compensation claim, because now the firm has to meet the liability because the liability has occurred. So liability carries a credit balance, therefore that part of WCR or the reserve for which the liability is to paid will be credited to provision for workmen compensation claim account. If you write provision for workmen compensation reserve account, it will be wrong. You have to write provision for workmen compensation claim account, and the balance whichsoever is left will be credited to old partners capital or current account in the old ratio. You can see the narration. For workmen compensation claim adjusted and balance distributed among the old partners. Case number 3. If the claim is equal to workmen compensation reserve, that means whatever reserve the firm has created, the equal amount of liability regarding that particular claim arises. For example, if the firm has prepared or maintained WCR or workmen compensation reserve for rupees 50,000, and if some mishappening happens and the firm is required to pay 50,000 compensation to the employees, so that means in that case the entire amount of reserves is to be utilized for paying the claim. No excess is left. So since no excess is left, that's why in that case nothing will be distributed among the old partners of WCR. And the entire amount of WCR or workmen compensation reserve will be transferred to provision for workmen compensation claim account. As you can read, entire amount of workmen compensation reserve is credited to provision for workmen compensation claim account. The journal entry passed is workmen compensation reserve account debited with the same logic as we did before to provision for workmen compensation claim account, and the narration can be for workmen compensation claim adjusted. Case number 4. If the claim is more than the amount of workmen compensation reserve, reserve maintained is less but the liability occurs more. For example, you have prepared the reserve for 50,000 but ultimately you have to pay the compensation of, let's say, rupees 70,000. So out of this claim of 70,000, 50,000 will be settled from WCR itself, but the excess of 20,000, that shows an increase in your liability because you were not prepared for that. So increase in liability, as discussed in previous videos, will be shown in the revaluation account on the debit side. So this 20,000 excess of liability will be shown on the debit side of revaluation account as to workmen compensation claim, and this particular liability, this particular excess of liability which is shown in the revaluation is a part of revaluation loss, so it will be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. As you can read, entire amount of workmen compensation reserve along with the excess claim is to be credited to provision for workmen compensation claim account, because this is an account whereby we are transferring that amount which has to be actually paid. So in our example, you have to pay 70,000 for claim, 50,000 out of WCR and 20,000 from your own pockets of the firm. So ultimately the claim is to be met for rupees 70,000. Therefore, we will be crediting provision for workmen compensation claim account with the total amount of claim, that is 70,000. The amount of excess claim is debited to revaluation account because the loss must be borne by all the old partners in their old ratio. The journal entry passed is The first journal entry will be Workmen Compensation Reserve account debited. It will be debited with the amount which is actually there in the reserve. Then revaluation account debited. Revaluation account will be debited with the amount of excess claim which is more than the WCR. To provision for workmen compensation claim account, that is with the total amount of claim to be borne by the firm. The narration can be for workmen compensation claim adjusted. Then the second entry will be for writing of the loss arising out of excess claim which is transferred to revaluation account on the debit side, since it is an increase in the liability. The entry will be old partners capital or current account debited, because it is a loss, and when the loss is given to the partners, their capital or the current account balances decrease, and since it decreases the liability of the firm, therefore it is credited. So old partners capital or current account debited with the amount of excess loss which is transferred to revaluation account, and it will also be distributed in the old ratio to revaluation account. As in case of the example which we took verbally, in this entry, revaluation account will be credited with the excess balance, that is 20,000, and this 20,000 will be given to the old partners capital or current account in the old ratio. As you can see the narration, for loss on revaluation transferred to capital or current accounts of old partners in the old ratio. So these are the 4 cases related to specific reserve, that is workmen compensation reserve. Case number 1 was when there is no claim, then entire amount of WCR was transferred to partners capital or current account in the old ratio. Case number 2, when amount of claim was less than the amount of reserve. So in that case, the amount of claim was adjusted and transferred to provision for workmen compensation claim account, and the balance surplus was distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. Case number 3, when the claim was equal to the amount of reserve. In such a case, since there was no surplus, so nothing was distributed among the partners, but the entire amount of reserve was to be transferred to provision for workmen compensation claim account. And case number 4, when the amount of claim is more than the amount of reserve. So in that case, the entire amount of reserve was to be transferred to provision for workmen compensation claim account, and along with the excess. The excess more than reserve was to be debited to revaluation account, and this loss should later on be distributed or written off among the old partners in the old ratio. So I hope all these 4 cases related to workmen compensation reserve are clear to you children. In the next coming up video, we will be discussing practical question on such cases, and there is one more specific reserve, that is investment fluctuation reserve, which will be discussed in the forthcoming video. So here is the assignment based on the workmen compensation reserve and its cases. You have to answer the following questions in your register. Question: state the journal entries related to workmen compensation reserve in the following cases. Case number A, if there is no claim against workmen compensation reserve. So in this case, the entry will be workmen compensation reserve account debited to old partners capital or current account in the old ratio. Case number B, if the claim for workmen compensation is lower than the amount of workmen compensation reserve. In this case, the entry will be workmen compensation reserve account debited to provision for workmen compensation claim account to old partners capital or current account in the old ratio. Case C, if the claim is equal to workmen compensation reserve. In this case, the entry will be workmen compensation reserve account debited to provision for workmen compensation claim account. And lastly, if the claim is more than the amount of workmen compensation reserve. In such a case, there will be two entries, one for adjusting the claim and another one for writing of the loss. So the first entry for adjusting the claim will be workmen compensation reserve account debited with the amount of reserve, revaluation account debited with the excess amount of claim, to provision for workmen compensation claim account with the amount of total claim to be met. And the second entry will be old partners capital or current account debited to revaluation account in the old ratio. This entry is passed to distribute the loss arising out of excess claim on workmen compensation reserve. So I hope the topic is clear to you, and so are the entries. Go through the video once again, revise them and do the written work. Complete your written work and practice as many entries and as many questions as you can. Thank you children. Take care.